Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel CodeMate Mastery. In today's video, let us solve some important questions from compliance and regulatory. In my YouTube channel, there's a playlist CPC Compliance and Regulatory. Please check that playlist for important notes and practice questions related to this section. Let's start with the first question. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. In medical coding, what does the abbreviation PQRS stand for? You can read the options. Option A, Physical Quality Reporting Standards. Option B, Physician Quality Reporting System. Option C, Physician Quality Reimbursement Solution. Option D, Physician Quantity Reporting Structure. The right answer is option B, Physician Quality Reporting System. So, this Physician Quality Reporting System was a Medicare program that encouraged eligible professionals to report data on quality measures. PQRS stands for Physician Quality Reporting System, not Standards, Reimbursement Solution or Quantity Reporting. Okay, next question. How do copay and co-insurance differ from each other? Option A, they refer to the same concept and are used interchangeably by insurers. Option B, co-insurance is calculated as a percentage while a copay is a fixed fee. Option C, a copay is a percentage and co-insurance is a flat amount. Option D, co-insurance applies only to Medicare beneficiaries. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. Coinsurance is calculated as a percentage while copay is a fixed fee. A copay is a set dollar amount the patient pays. For example, $25 per office visit. Coinsurance is a percentage of the allowed charges. For example, the patient pays 20% and the plan pays 80%. So these are not interchangeable terms. Next question. According to AAPC Code of Ethics, which of the following is not identified as a core ethical principle? Option A, integrity. Option B, efficiency. Option C, responsibility. And option D, commitment. Can you think of the right answer? The right answer is efficiency. Option B. The AAPC Code of Ethics includes principles such as integrity, responsibility, commitment, and others related to professionalism and honesty. Efficiency is not listed as one of the ethical principles, even though it may be desirable in practice. For this question, the right answer is option B. Next question. Which federal agency provides compliance program guidance specifically for physician practices? Option A, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, that is CMS. Option B, American Medical Association. Option C, Office of Inspector General. And option D, HIPAA. The right answer is option C, Office of Inspector General. It issues compliance program guidance documents for various healthcare entities, including physician practices. CMS administers Medicare and Medicaid. That is option A. Okay. AMA is a professional association and HIPAA is a law, not a agency. Next question. In what year was the AAPC established? This is very important. You have to know this. Okay. Option A 1980, option B 1965, option C 1955 and option D 1988. The correct answer is option D 1988. So what is the full form of AAPC? American Academy of Professional Coders. It was established in 1988 to provide certification, education and resources for medical coding and related professionals. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.